Hey, what's up, it's Philip, and today I'll show you how to zoom in Lightworks. To do that, position your playhead where you want to zoom to start and press I on your keyboard. This will start the in point, and select where you want the zoom to end and click O button. This will be the out. After that, go to the VFX tab up here and make sure to find the 2D DVE component. It's under DVE, and now just drag and drop it to this section that you marked, like this. Okay, now we don't need any more these markers, so to remove them, click this clear all marks or a P on a keyboard, like this. Okay, I'll stretch this so you can see better. Now position this playhead on top of effect over here, and now over here make sure to change the scale over here. You can go to the master like this and zoom it like this and position it with this axis over here. For example, if you want to see the face of this beautiful bird, and if I click play, it will zoom on the face, but it's not smooth. We need to make it smooth. Go to your effect, and over here on the show settings menu, make sure to reset all, like this. Now go to beginning of the section over here and make sure that you enable disable keyframes for this parameter. So enable this, and this, and position also. Now move slightly where you want the zoom to occur, and over here make things like we did it before. Okay, and like this. Okay, and now if I go play, it will zoom smoothly. And to zoom out, make sure to go to the end of the video clip or this segment, click here add, and it will add a keyframe to your video. You can see your keyframes over here at the bottom. Add a keyframe, and over here go to the end and add a keyframe and reset everything to the default value. Now if I click play, we got zoom in and zoom out. Thanks for watching. Drop some comments, like if you find this helpful, and let me know that in the comments below. Bye bye.